Light, Class 8th, Chapter 16, 4th part. Children, in the previous video, we have studied about mirrors. Now the topic is lenses. Apart from curved mirror, lenses also can change the quality of image. And you have seen your father or grandfather or some children. They are using a piece of glass to read some fine print in the newspaper, and he uses a magnifying glass, which really is a lens. Magnifying glass or hand lens. So this is a lens. If you observe, you will notice that lens, this is a piece of transparent glass which has polished curved surfaces. The surfaces of the lens, these are curved and polished. Lens, these are of various shapes and sizes. And lens is a spherical object, a transparent medium bounded by two surfaces. Lenses are of various shapes and sizes. Lens, this is a spherical object, a transparent medium, and which is bounded by two surfaces. The lens can be two types, concave or convex, in one or both the faces. The convex lens bulges in the middle and thin at the end. This is its identification. It is bulges in the middle and thin at the edges. The concave lens, it is opposite of the convex lens, means bulges at the ends and thin in the middle. Children, you are seeing pic of some lenses. Biconvex means its both surfaces are convex. Plano-convex means one surface is plane and other surface is convex. Biconcave means both surfaces are concave. Similarly, plano-concave means one surface is plane and the other surface is concave. Terms related to lenses. Principal axis. Principal axis. This is the line joining the centers of two spheres from which the lens is formed. A lens, this is a part of the two sphere, whereas the mirror, so this is a part of the spherical mirror. This is a part of the one sphere. Lens, because it has two surfaces, so it is the part of the two sphere, and the line which join the centers of the two sphere from which the lens is formed. So this is called principal axis. Children, you are seeing a pic for the convex lens. Principal axis, that is the line which connect O point, O and F point. So this is principal axis. Now the next definition, this is optical center. The center of the lens, this is called optical center and it is denoted by O. Children, in the figure O is optical center. Principal focus, the point on the principal axis where parallel beams of light rays meet or appear to meet. So this is called principal focus and it is denoted by F. In convex lens, all the parallel beams of rays of light meet or converge at one point, that is focus, after passing through the lens. Therefore, it is called a converging lens. Converging lens means all the parallel beams of rays of light converge at one point after refraction. So, it is converging lens. Children, now insight. Never look at the sun directly or through a lens, as it can cause irreparable damage to the eyes. Children, we will study our eye lens. This is also convex type, converging lens. So the light rays will converge at the focus of our eye lens and cause damage. Now children, the second type of lens is concave lens. On the other hand, in a concave lens, beams of light rays which are parallel to the principal axis, they spread out away from the principal axis and appear to be coming from a point. So this is called diverging lens. Diverging lens. In the diverging lens, the principal focus, this is not real focus. Now the focal length, the distance between optical center and principal focus. This distance is called focal length. Images formed by spherical lenses. Convex lens. The magnifying glass, this is a convex lens which magnifies the image if held close to the object and the image is upright. As the lens is moved away from the object, the size changes from large to small and the image becomes inverted. Inverted means upside down. The image from a convex lens when erect will be virtual. Virtual means the image cannot be obtained on the screen, and when inverted it becomes real. The inverted image is real, that is, it can be projected on a screen. The nature of image for different position of object in a convex lens, so this is given in the table. When the object is placed between principal focus and optical center, then the image is formed on the same side as the object and the image is virtual, enlarged, very magnified and erect image. When the object is between f and 2f, then the image is formed beyond 2f on the other side of the lens and the nature of the image is enlarged, real and inverted. When the object is placed at 2f, then the image this is also formed at 2f on the other side of the lens and the image is inverted, real, larger in size. When the object is placed beyond 2f, then the image is formed between f and 2f on the other side of the lens and the nature of the image is real, inverted, smaller in size. Children, f and 2f इसका मीन्स ये है कि in the lens there are two focus, f and 2f. Okay, 2f this is just like the center of curvature of the mirror. 2f this is center of curvature of the mirror. 2f this is the double focus of the lens. Now concave lens. The image from a concave lens, this is always upright and always smaller than the object and it cannot be projected on a screen. That means the image is always virtual. Now children, you are seeing figure 16.18. When the object is close, then it is seen as. Then far from the object through the convex lens. The image this is inverted and through the concave lens it is always smaller but erect.